Internet in Zimbabwe can be very frustrating, but between Starlink, Tier 1 and Zoe, which one is actually worth your money in 2026? Hello guys, my name is Owen and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm comparing Starlink, Tier 1 and Zoe, and I'm going to be looking at the speed, the pricing, the reliability, gaming and the everyday use, so you know which one is best for you in Zimbabwe. So before I jump into the video, I'm just going to be giving you a brief explanation on how Starlink, Zoe and Tier 1 actually work. I'm just going to be simplifying things. So when it comes to Starlink, Starlink is a satellite-based internet service that uses satellites which are out there in space to offer us internet services. So just like our DSTV and our WiStack, the same concept that works there is the same for Starlink. And when it comes to Tier 1 and Zoe, they basically work the same way, and they also work just like how our Econet and Net1 lines work. But the only difference is that our Zoe and Tier 1 Blaze SIM cards, they are geo-logged, which means they can only work at a specific area. So let's say I live in Mbare and then maybe I travel to Avondale or to Glenview or Chitungwiza. That SIM card will not work to those areas. It can only work Mbare because that's where I register my line to. So that's basically how Starlink, Zoe and Tier 1 lines really work. So these are the things that we are going to be looking on in this video. And without wasting any time, let's start with the first one, which is installation and availability. As for availability, here in Zimbabwe Starlink, you currently have two options. The first option is when you go to the Starlink website today, you are now able to place an order for your Starlink kit. But before you place your order, you must know that the only kit that is available at the moment is the Starlink for Business, which is quite different from the residential plan that we had before. It's going to come, but at the moment there's only the Starlink for Business. The second option is the roaming plan, and by roaming plan I mean you're going to be using Starlink here in Zimbabwe, but the account that is registered to that Starlink is outside of Zimbabwe. But still English to Shanda, everything is going to be working properly, but it's only that the account you're using is outside of Harare. So for Starlink, you have two options. You have the roaming plan, or you can go to the Starlink website and order your kit. And in terms of installation, Starlink is pretty easy to install, guys. The only time you need assistance is to find someone who is able to install the dish on top of your house. And once the dish is installed, the app itself, it can help you to install or set up your Starlink, and within 2 to 5 minutes your Starlink will start working. So guys, Starlink is very easy to set up. You only need someone to mount a dish on your rooftop, and the rest you can do it yourself. For Zoe lines and Tier 1 lines, availability is now in major cities and has recently expanded to several smaller towns here in Zimbabwe. When it comes to Tier 1 and Zoe lines, coverage depends on how close you are to either a Tier 1 base station or a liquid dome base station. So in the description, I'm going to be leaving you a link if you want to apply for a Tier 1 line, and also a link if you want to buy a Zoe line. And before you buy these SIM cards, just make sure to do your research. Uone kuti my lines are support location yarugara, because they are usually geo-logged. They can only work in a specific area. So before you buy, just go into the description and check if your location currently supports the Zoe line or the Tier 1 Blaze line. The second thing that we're going to be comparing is speed and latency. And when it comes to Starlink, most users in Zimbabwe experience a median download speed between 45 Mbps and 250 Mbps. During peak hour congestion in major cities like Harare and Bulawayo, speeds can drop below 50 Mbps during the evening, that is between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. And this is mainly due to high user density. For the upload speeds, they typically range between 8 Mbps to 25 Mbps. When it comes to Telone Blaze or T1 SIM cards, the speeds typically range from 5 Mbps to 20 Mbps. And the speeds for T1, they're basically determined by how congested the base station is. If the base station is highly congested, mainly during 6 to 10 p.m., you experience much even slower speeds. For Zone or liquid home lines, most users experience 5 Mbps to 15 Mbps, and this is for portable or MiFi users. If you are using outdoor units, speeds are significantly more stable and closer to the 15 Mbps mark as compared to the indoor MiFi. Now we are comparing gaming and streaming, and when it comes to Starlink, it is a highly capable platform for 4K streaming in Zimbabwe. But when it comes to gaming, it depends heavily on the type of the game and your location network if it is congested. Like in Harare and other major cities, gaming during peak hours is very difficult due to increased latency and potential 1 to 3 second dropouts as the network handles very heavy traffic. As for the Telone Blaze line, it is best suited for budget-conscious streaming and casual gaming, though it often falls short for competitive gaming due to congestion and latency spikes. Like in Harare and other 8-capacity zones, gaming during peak hours is very difficult due to increased latency and potential 1 to 3 second dropouts as the network handles very heavy traffic. As for the liquid home, formerly WiBroniX, it offers an adequate experience for casual streaming, but it generally provides a poor experience for competitive gaming due to network congestion and the limitations of its fair use policy. WiBroniX is suitable saved for moderate streaming and very casual gaming if you prioritizing having a simple portable connection. For a reliable competitive gaming experience, liquid home fiber is the real solution. The last thing that we're going to be comparing is pricing and value for money. And as for Starlink, it is widely considered the best value for money option in Zimbabwe, but mainly for high usage households due to its low price per gigabyte. For the hardware cost, the standard kit is currently going for about $350, while the mini kit is currently going for about $200. And to improve accessibility, Starlink offers interest-free installments for the mini kit in Zimbabwe, where you can pay $16 per month for 9 months or $25 per month for 6 months. Starlink monthly rates are highly competitive for unlimited data, and for the mini kit, you pay about $30 per month for unlimited data. For the standard kit, you pay about $50 per month for unlimited data, and for the roaming plan, you pay about $100 per month for unlimited data. So for the conclusion, if you consume more than 100 gig per month, Starlink is the most cost-effective internet solution for you in Zimbabwe. Telone Blaze offers exceptional value for money for users with modest data needs or those on a strict budget. And for Telone Blaze, it requires a minimum upfront cost as compared to Starlink. For the hardware cost, a portable MiFi router and a SIM card can cost you about $82, which is a one-time purchase. And for the indoor router and the SIM card, you can get them for about $90 to $130, and these are better for signals indoors. For the tier 1 package, you can get 75 gig for about $20, 150 gig for about $25, and unlimited data for $75. So in conclusion, Telone Blaze is the best clear winner for individuals and small households seeking a functional internet connection at the absolute minimum cost. As for Liquid Home WiBroniX, it is positioned as a flexible entry to mid-tier wireless service, and they offer several hardware tiers, allowing users to choose between mobility and signal stability. As for the initial hardware cost, you can get a SIM card for about $2, a portable MiFi you can get it for about $50, and if you want a router, you can get it for about $110. And if you are someone who wants an outdoor unit, the whole setup or installation can cost you about $226. For the monthly subscription fee, Liquid Home utilizes a LIT bonus system where users often receive a 1:1 data bonus on a specific USD bundle. So that's the real comparison between Starlink, Tier 1 and Zou here in Zimbabwe. There is no one size fits all. It really comes down to your location, your budget, and how you want to use your internet. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to watch more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments which internet are you using or applying to switch to. I will see you in the next one.